What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today is part 2 of me learning how to drive my 350Z with none other than John.
Hey.
Today I guess we're just gonna do same thing we were doing yesterday, but just hopefully get better. And then, also I'm probably gonna do today and then the next time that I drive it all in one video, because this is gonna take me a little longer and I don't want it to be like a freaking 10-part series of me learning how to drive a car. That's not too entertaining. So we're gonna get all that done. Oh, I bought, this is something I got coming for you guys actually. I have a little plug for this windshield washer delete, or windshield wiper delete thing. So I'm gonna plug that in. That's the first mod for the Z. The first mod is gonna be a plug for my windshield wiper, and a little sneak peek of what we got going on in here. Just a little oh, what's that? Whoa, what's that? What was that? I don't know what that was, but it might be coming soon. Who knows? Anyway, we got to move this side by side or whatever they call these things. I've got to move it out of here. This is not mine, by the way. I wish it was, but it's not. I got to move this out of here so we can get the Z out, and then we're going to go down to the parking lot again and just drive it. Daily reversing the Z out of the thing, and it's not me driving it. There we go. There we are. Also, there's a random dog that just came out of nowhere, but she left now. Look at that thing, man. Oh, every time. It still shocks me to this day how much this car is just Where'd that dog go? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? I don't know where the dog actually went, but she was here, I promise. So we're down the road. This part of the road is very bumpy. That's the worst part about where my car is parked, boys, is like the road that it's parked on is so bumpy, and I know I want to go full low boy status, and I'm just gonna scrape on every single pebble. It's gonna be rough, but you gotta commit. If you don't commit to the low boy lifestyle, then are you really a low boy? All right, boys. So first launch of the day here. Yeah, you want to film it for me? Yeah, my boy. I appreciate that. Okay.
Ease into it. Give it a little bit of something. Nice. That's better. A little bit less bucky. Better and better every day, right, Mark?
Yes, sir. That's what we're going for here.
Another good takeoff. Remember, slow down. Clutch. Boom.
Yeah, son. Okay.
Here we go. That's alright. First road run.
Take it on the road.
Go. Hand was in the way, but that's okay.
Driving on the public roads now.
There we go, we in 6.
I
pop it in the 5th around here.
What's up?
I pop it in the 5th around here.
Around here?
Yeah.
Chipotle now. So
Big
why
eats.
not?
good.
Now John's driving because we're on more public roads with a lot of people, and I don't trust myself to do that just yet. So John's gonna drive up to Chipotle real quick. We're gonna get Chipotle, and then I don't know. We'll see where we go from there. Gotta film the bikers. I love the bikers. We just saw one of those new Miata, the ND Miatas. So nice. Oh, another biker guy. Gotta show love to the biker guys. But anyway, also look at this, boys. Oil pressure is through the roof. I don't know what's happening. It's because I'm boosted, and we're about to blow up. I don't know what to do. We're about to blow up, but we gotta get Chipotle. So we desperately need that Chipotle. No, I'm just kidding. That oil pressure sensor is just bad, so it makes it look like it's got like 100,000 oil pressure, but it's actually chilling at the right oil pressure. This guy behind us right here, that Ford Ranger right there, is being a little bit of a poop skull, so we might have to get into a UFC fight night, pay-per-view, main card. Oh, never mind, look, he's backing off. Can't keep up with the Z, man. You can't keep up with the Z. There's a police officer just drove by us as well. He did not care about the no front bumper. This is good news. This is good news. Alright, slight change of plans because Chipotle doesn't have a drive-thru, which for some reason I thought it did. They have like a drive-thru for like mobile order pickups, and so that's probably what I thought it was. But they don't, and the line in there is too long, and I don't want to go stand inside Chipotle and wait around. And so we're going to Taco Bell. People are beeping. Oh, we're beeping at something.
Unmask our kids. I quite agree with that.
They're saying they want to unmask our kids. I didn't want to unmask our kids, my boy, but I don't have any kids. So, my kids, I guess.
They might be talking about underwear.
Oh, they want me to take off my undies. That's pedophilia. Not really, because I'm illegal, but it's pedophilia right there. Everybody was beeping at him. I would have beeped at him just cause, but I don't even have a working home. We don't
gave
even
him a little red.
Oh, there you go.
Not really, but they got something.
That was just weird. I don't know what was going on. They had a cause and they were standing behind it, so I appreciate that.
COVID.
I'm not gonna put that in the video probably because it's probably illegal.
Children.
Yeah. So our saving grace. The bell, look at the bell! Think outside the box!
Oh look, another STI.
Oh look, an STI. See, like, I don't like WRXs, but STIs, now they can get my attention. Oh. Well, we missed it. But there's an STI over there and it looks nice. With that, we're gonna have to like reach up like Mr. Fantastic and fucking to grab the food. It's gonna be difficult.
I think the bag could come through here.
What's that?
Getting the bag through, it's gonna be like
yeah, the bag's too big. We're gonna have to friggin' cut the roof off to get it in.
Just put it on the roof.
Just hold it out just hold it out the window the whole drive home. You can't get it through the window. Alright. What do you guys usually get from Taco Bell, by the way? Because if you don't say Cheesy Gordita Crunch, you're wrong.
Back. Here we go.
Yeah, we out here city driving now, folks.
There we go. Driving back, Taco Bell. Ooh, 5-0.
5-0. It's a 5-0. I beat him in a race, guys. Trust me, I just beat him before. He's going back home. He's selling his car.
I've already put in third. Let's put in second. Blinker. There we go. Driving good, driving good. That's right, kick that baby up. There we go.
Hell yeah.
Where's the SmoothStance sticker?
Oh, they're coming. They're coming. When I get the new ones, what's going on there, boys? And when the new ones come, you guys better get some of those, alright?
New merch.
New merch coming soon.
That's low.
That thing is lowered. What is that? That's an Audi. That's an Audi. It's lowered. Lowered Audi. Alrighty, guys. So that is the end of day 2, part 2, part 1. That's the end of today, but we're gonna pick up again next time, and it's gonna be all in one part, so it's gonna be part 2. But that is the end of today. we got to go eat dinner, and we were doing it for like a good hour, so it's still got some time in, still got to learn. I drove in the city a little bit today, a little city driving. It's just the hills. You know, the hills is what worries me because I don't want to roll into the back of somebody. That would not be ideal. And so maybe one time I was thinking, what if like we get, you know, you would follow me in the PT Cruiser, start on some hills so I get used to having somebody be behind me, but at least it's you, so you know.
We could do
Something
like 10 feet behind just so you can get in that
that
rhythm.
Yeah, exactly.
Having that feeling.
Exactly. That's the
And
plan.
you're definitely not going to want to hit both your cars.
That would not be fun at all, no. So, all right. But that's the end of day 2, part 2, part 1, if that makes any sense. So, that's thank you guys for watching.